Hi there, students. I had a question as to what is the difference between a patent and a copyright. Well, the difference is a patent refers to an invention, a machine, a way of doing things, whereas a copyright refers to an idea or an artistic work. So copyright is a legal right to decide who can publish, copy and distribute a picture, a painting, a photograph, a film, a drawing, a piece of music, a literary work, artistic things. The patent, on the other hand, is a legal right to decide who may make, use or sell an invention. So a piece of music you wrote, you could apply for a copyright. But the machine that you invented to peel potatoes, for that you would apply for a patent. Notice as well that both patents and copyrights are for a limited period of time, and in different countries, different jurisdictions, they work in slightly different ways. When the copyright or the patent expires, then these things revert to the public domain. So you can sell a copyright or a patent independent of whether you sell the item or not. So typically a record contract for a musician will include the transfer of copyright to the record company. If you buy a patent to an invention, that gives you the right to manufacture, to make and sell it, to sell this invention, okay? And that's the difference. Copyright is for artistic things, whereas patents are for inventions. And some things can have both patents and copyrights to them, because they're not quite the same. So what about origin? Well, copyright, it's made up of the right to copy it, the right to decide who can copy it. And then a patent comes from Anglo-Norman lettre patente, which means an open letter, or in Latin, littera patens. This is a letter that you can show to say, I have the right to decide. I think as to formality, I would give both of these words a 5 in formality. I think they're flexible and you can use them anywhere. So copyright refers to your rights over the copying artistic things, whereas a patent is the right over copying machines or inventions that somebody else has made. Okay, a nice easy difference. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Copyright or patent.